Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can view hidden Instagram instance media. So let's get started. So there's no separate hidden instance media gallery in the Instagram. If you're referring to instance in DMs, the media works like this. You're going to simply open the app and go to your DMs chat where the instant photo was sent. You can simply click on this icon over here and you'll be able to see the 4 boxes at the top right corner. Click on that and you'll be able to see all of the Instagram instance that you have sent. So if you wish to delete a specific instant, you're going to simply click on the instant and then you can click on the 3 dots at the top right corner and click on delete instant, or if you wish to save it to camera roll, you can click on save to camera roll. But if you wish to delete it, simply click on delete instant, and now you can see there's nothing here. When you start sending instance, they'll appear here, but that means that the Instagram instant has been deleted, and that was how you can view hidden Instagram instance media. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.